Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Beauty Big Bang XL020 swatches. First I'm going to peel off this blue film and then I'm going to clean it with some acetone. I like to do this when I open up a new plate. So now that we've got this all ready, we're going to get to swatching. I love this design right here. This paisley with the little skull in it is one of my favorites. Very unique, very nice. I will have swatch photo close-ups at the end. And these little ghosts and spiders in the spider web. Cute. I am really digging these plates, but I do get really excited about Halloween manicures, so it's easy to do. And what is this one? Oh, a cute little jack-o'-lantern. And this one looks like, you know, Jack Skeleton. I love that image. So cute. And this hand tree with all the goodies in it. Very unique, very cool. Funky. And of course, we've got to have, you know, our graveyard scene. Got the spooky tree and the jack-o'-lantern and the church and the cross with it on the tombstone. Very cute. And of course we've got to have our, you know, spooky little trunk and our little ghost. I really do. I just love Halloween manicures. And here we go. This is that wicked looking eyeball with, like, I don't know what's behind it. I don't know if that's like snake skin looking or what, but it's weird looking. And then we've got lots of Halloween stuff. We've got jack-o'-lanterns and bats, and this one's really nice. I like this image right here. I like the lines, almost like wrapping paper. You got your jack-o'-lanterns and your ghost and your spiders, and this one I believe is like ghost. You know, that's the only thing I can come up, but it's very cool. This was one of my favorites on this plate, and I love it because it's got lace on it. Here we go with the eyeball in the spider web. Now, I do tend to lean towards the cutesy side of Halloween. I'm not really into the gory part of it, but, you know, everybody has their own preference. Some people don't even like Halloween stuff at all, but I do. And then we've got our spooky hands coming up out of the ground. Oh, and my tip popped off. Oh, no. And then I'm going to drop it. See, I leave it all in there, y'all. I fumble like a crazy woman sometimes. There we go. And then the cute little bat. I like the size of this image because it fits on most nails. I actually got it across my pinky nail, so very nice. And I went ahead and did the top of this image. It was actually connected to that other one, but I'd already swatched it, so. But I wanted to test the whole plate, every bit of it. There we go. And then our little jack-o'-lantern with the hat. How stinking cute. So there we go. So here they are up close and personal. I will have a link for Beauty Big Bang down below and the stamping plate. If you use my code, you can get 10% off your order. And there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed these. Let me know which one was your favorite. I love hearing from you. I always enjoy swatching these plates out. Love that one. Love it. So that is it for me today. As always, I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.